Hi everyone! In this video, you'll learn the names of clothes in English with fun examples. Let's boost your vocabulary and have fun learning together. Let's get started. What is this piece of clothing?
T-shirt, T-shirt.
What is this piece of clothing?
Shirt, shirt.
What is this piece of clothing?
Blouse, blouse.
What is this piece of clothing?
Tank top, tank top.
What is this piece of clothing?
Sweater, sweater.
What is this piece of clothing?
Hoodie, hoodie.
What is this piece of clothing?
Jacket, jacket.
What is this piece of clothing?
Coat, coat.
What is this piece of clothing?
Dress, dress.
What is this piece of clothing?
Skirt, skirt.
What is this piece of clothing?
Jeans, jeans.
What is this piece of clothing?
Pants, pants.
What is this piece of clothing?
Shorts, shorts.
What is this piece of clothing?
Overalls, overalls.
What is this piece of clothing?
Pajamas, pajamas.
What is this piece of clothing?
Underwear, underwear.
What is this piece of clothing?
Bra, bra.
What is this piece of clothing?
Socks, socks.
What is this piece of clothing?
Scarf, scarf.
What is this piece of clothing?
Hat, hat.
What is this piece of clothing?
Cap, cap.
What is this piece of clothing?
Tie, tie.
What is this piece of clothing?
Bow tie, bow tie.
What is this piece of clothing?
Beanie, beanie.
What is this piece of clothing?
Gloves. Gloves.
What is this piece of clothing?
Suit. Suit. Great job, everyone! Now you know the names of many clothes in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson.